Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve these kind of polynomials. Question is x to the power 4 negative 3x square negative 4 is equal to 0. How to solve this question? Let's watch the video, and after watching this video, you are able to solve these kind of all questions. It's so simple, just know how to solve it. X to the power 4 negative 3x square negative 4, this is a polynomial, and first of all we can write x square to the x square. We can write in this way: negative 3 into x square negative 4 is equal to 0. Now let x square is equal to u. This x square, suppose this x square is equal to u, so replace x square with u. So u square negative 3u negative 4 is equal to 0. Now this is the equation, we have to work on it. We have a formula like u in u negative b plus minus b square negative 4ac divided by 2a. This is the formula, and you can also solve this question with the help of factorization. And if asked in question solve with the help of factorization, then you can use factorization, otherwise you can use formula or factorization. So I am using this quadratic formula to solve this question. So identify a is equal to 1, that is the coefficient of u square, and b is equal to negative 3 and c is equal to negative 4. C is constant and u and b is equal to u means coefficient of u. So putting these values in the formula, we will get a required solution. So we have a formula, this is the formula, and I am using this formula like this: u is equal to negative b means negative 3 plus minus negative 3 square 4 into a1 and c is negative 4 over 2a is equal to 1. So simplify this formula: 3 plus minus, this is plus negative multiply negative will be plus, and this is 9 and this is plus 16, because this negative 4 multiply with this negative 4, it will be 16. And after that you can see that here is 2a, that is equal to this. You can use 3 plus minus 25 divided by 2. This is the value after putting the value in formula. And you can see that 25 square is equal to 5, means 5 multiply 5, square and square root will be cancelled. Now this is u and it is equal to 3 plus minus 5 divided by 2. So after that u first time u plus 5, 3 plus this, and 3 negative 5 divided by 2. Clear? Now u is equal to 8 divided by 2, that is equal to 4. U is equal to 4. One answer of u is equal to 4, and the second answer of u is negative 2 divided by 2, that is equal to negative 1. These are two answers. Remember what we did in the start: we put u is equal to x square, replacing u with x square, like this: x square is equal to 4 and x square is equal to negative 1. Clear? Now taking square root on both sides, this is plus minus 2. This is one solution of this part, and after that taking square root of this, we know that x is equal to plus minus iota. What is iota? The negative 1 root is equal to iota. This is complex part. This is a complex part. So we have two answers of x, plus minus 2 and x is equal to plus minus iota. These are the roots. So this is the question, and this is the way to solve these kind of question. Hope so you got the idea. Thank you for watching this video. Like the video, comment under the video and share video with your friends. Thank you.